Hi, this is Cheryl Austria, isang OFW dito sa Greece at ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ay ang natutunan ko sa book na ito kung paano ang tamang pag-iipon at pag-i-invest. Sabi dito, financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Bakit nga ba mahalaga na matutunan natin ang tamang pag-iipon at pag-iinvest? Dahil according to the Senior Citizen Survey, only 2% of our senior citizens achieve financial independence. Yung 40% umasa sa mga anak. Yung 30% napipilitan pa rin magtrabaho kahit na dapat ay retired na. Yung 20% umaasa na sa charity. At yung 8% naman ay umaasa sa pensyon. Ang tanong ngayon, sapat ba yung pensyon na makukuha sa SSS at GSIS? Paano kung sa time na yan na seniors na tayo ay nagme-maintenance na at masasakit din na tayo? Saan tayo kukuha ng additional na panggastos para sa ating mga pangangailangan? At para naman makapag-ipon at makapag-invest tayo ng tama, kailangan nating matutunan ang mga basic financial concept. So number 1 is the X-curve concept. Number 2 is give first to God, then yourself, or the 10-20-70 rules. Number 3 is building a solid financial foundation. And number 4, the power of compounding interest, or the rule of 72. Let's learn about the X-curve concept. Ito yung tinatawag natin na age line, from young to old. Ito namang blue line, ito ang magre-represent ng ating money line. Kapag bata pa tayo, wala pa tayong savings. Pero dapat sikapin natin na mapataas natin itong ating money line. Kapag tayo ay may tanda na, dapat meron na tayong big savings. Ito namang red line, ito ang nagre-represent ng ating responsibility line. Kapag bata pa tayo, napakataas ng ating responsibility. Pero dapat sikapin natin na mapababa ang ating mga responsibilidad habang tayo ay tumatanda. Ano ba yung mga responsibility na nakaatang sa ating balikat, lalo na kung tayo ang breadwinner in the family? So, tayo yung nagpo-provide ng food, shelter, clothing, education, health, at marami tayong bayarin na debts and loans. So, yan yung ating mga responsibilidad. At nagtatrabaho tayo to earn money. At yan yung tinatawag natin na active income. Pero pagtanda natin, marami pa rin tayong mga pangangailangan. Yung food, shelter, clothing, education, kung gusto nating tumulong sa ating mga kapamilya na nag-aaral pa. Yung health natin, dito tayo maraming kagastusan and dapat debt-free na tayo. Kaya kailangan meron na tayong money working for us, or tinatawag natin na passive income. Pero sa buhay natin, lagi siyang may if. What if we die too soon? So, sino ngayon ang magpo-provide ng mga pangangailangan ng family kung sakali man nakuhanin tayo agad ni Lord? So, mawawala na rin yung active income. So, imagine natin kung ano yung buhay na meron sila kung wala na ang provider sa family. And what if naman we live too long? Sino ang magpo-provide natin mga pangangailangan kung wala na rin tayong active income? Pero at ang ating mga worry is may solusyon. Kaya kailangan nating protektahan ang ating family by having an insurance, and protektahan naman natin yung ating sarili by having an investment. Ngayon, paano nga ba natin mapapataas yung ating money line? Siyempre, kailangan bayaran muna natin yung ating sarili. And by using this prosperity formula, tayo yung nagtatrabaho, so tayo yung may 100% income. Less natin yung tithes kahit anong religion natin or sa mga charity. So, 10%. At itong 20%, ito yung gagamitin natin for our savings and investment. And yung 70%, ito ang gagamitin natin for our needs, wants, and debts. So, yun, natutunan natin kung paano natin babayaran yung ating sarili. But the question is, yung 70% ba ng ating income is enough for our needs, wants, or debts? Paano kung hindi? So, we need to increase cash flow. Check natin yung ating expenses. Ito ba ay needs or wants lang? Baka naman mayroon tayong mga nabibili na hindi naman talaga natin kailangan. And then, ano ba yung ginagawa natin during our spare time? So, maghanap tayo ng mga pwedeng magbigay sa atin ng additional source of income. And after that, pwede na tayong mag-build ng ating solid financial foundation. At sa pag-build nito, mayroon tayong kailangan na sundin na order of priority. So, we need to build from ground to up para maging strong yung ating financial house. So, dapat number 1 is magkaroon tayo ng healthcare. Dahil ito yung magiging solution natin, what if we got sick? Number 2 is magkaroon tayo ng protection or life insurance dahil ito ang solution natin for what if we die too soon? Ma-eliminate natin yung ating debt, magkaroon tayo ng emergency fund, and magkaroon tayo ng investment. So, last pa yung investment. But, usually, ang nangyayari kasi is nauuna natin ang investment. Lalo na sa mga OFW. Nagpo-provide tayo ng bahay, lupa, kotse. So, bumibili ng bonds or stocks. So, yan yung ating nauuna. Pero, kinalimutan natin ang mag-invest sa healthcare. What if magkasakit tayo? Tayo yung breadwinner in the family. So, mag-i-stop na yung income. May sakit pa. 'Di ba? So, ubos na yung emergency fund. Ano ngayon ang karaniwang nangyayari? 'Di ba? Nabebenta yung bahay, lupa, kotse, nasasangla kahit na siya ay mura. Para lang may mapambayad tayo for our hospitalization bills. Kaya ganyan kahalaga na unahin muna natin ang healthcare. Bakit? Kasi ito yung protection na hindi lang siya sa protection para sa sarili, kundi ito'y protection din ng ating mga properties na naipundar para sa ating family. Now, let's learn about compounding interest. Explain how money works. This is the secret of the truly rich. They know and harness the power of compounding interest. And according to Albert Einstein, yung formula na ginamit niya is 72 divided by interest rate is equals numbers of years to double our money. Now, let's apply the rule of 72. Kapag nag-save tayo sa bank ng 100,000, which is magbibigay si bank ng 1% per annum. So, 72 divided by 1 is equal 72 years. So, after 72 years, magiging 200 yung pera. The question is, kung 30 years old, nag-save. So, after 72 years, at the age of 102, you will have 200,000. The question is, buhay pa kaya tayo nun? Now, let's see the power of compounding interest works. So, kung mayroon tayong mapapaglagayan ng pera, which is pwedeng magbigay ng 4% per annum. So, 72 divided by 4% is equals 18 years. The money to double. So, kung mag-save or mag-invest at age of 29 ng 100,000, every 18 years magdo-double siya. So, at age of 65, meron na siyang 400,000. Paano kung meron pa tayong pwedeng paglagyan ng pera, which is nagbibigay ng 8%. So, 72 divided by 8% is equals 9 years for money to double. So, same age, 100,000 investment. At age of 65, pwedeng ma-reach yung 1.6 million. Paano kung meron pa pala na pwede tayong paglagyan na makapagbibigay sa atin ng 12% per annum. So, 72 divided by 12% is equals 6 years for money to double. So, same age, 29, 100,000. So, every 6 years magdo-double siya until ma-reach yung age of 65, yung pera is 6.4 million. So, pwede na ba yan for retirement? Pwede na siyang magbigay ng passive income in the future? Yes. It is not enough to save money. We need to grow it. Now, I understand all those basic financial concepts. The question is, paano ko siya i-apply on my personal finance? And the good news is, pwede pala at possible na makapag-invest ako kahit nandito ako sa ibang bansa. It is through IMG membership platform. When I join, I have this member portal and makikita dito ang ilan sa mga benefits bilang isang member. Dahil meron na rin akong access sa financial industry, napakadali na sa akin ngayon na umpisahan how to build my solid financial foundation. Dahil naunawa ako kung gaano kahalaga ang magkaroon ng long-term care. So, I avail through Kaiser. At naunawaan ko rin kahalagahan ng having protection for the family. So, I avail life insurance through Imbel Life. At dahil naunawaan ko kung gaano kahalaga how to harness the power of compounding interest, I started investing through mutual fund via Atram, Soldevo Funds, through Seedbox, and I try also to invest on direct stock market through MyTrade. And soon, kung tayo ay makaipon ng madami at gusto natin mag-avail ng real estate, so meron na rin tayong mga company partners and general insurances, mga non-life insurance. And meron din tayong allied financial services. Pero hindi lang sapat na natuto tayo at alam natin kung paano gagawin pero wala man tayong ginagawa. Kailangan i-apply talaga natin on our personal finance. So, yan, ito yung na-inavail ko through Kaiser is the long-term healthcare. At ang maganda dito, meron siyang product na pwedeng i-cover ang ating solid financial foundation. So, cover niya na ang 3 major financial needs natin, which is meron na siyang healthcare, income protection, and investment. Yan yung mga may yellow colors. So, 3-in-1 na siya. Ito yung tinatawag natin na complete financial solution. And yan, I know how important to be prepared and to have healthcare. Why? Kasi naranasan ko dito sa Greece na mga ospital. I'm 3 days in ICU nung ako'y masisaryan. Almost 1 week in the hospital, but wala akong binayaran kahit 5. So, kaya yan ang naisip ko na kung sakaling magre-retire na kami sa Pilipinas, ano ang mawawala sa amin? Hindi namin pwedeng dalhin ang aming healthcare dito sa Greece. The best solution is to prepare a health fund while we are still earning and healthy. At naunawaan ko rin kung gaano kahalaga ang magkaroon ng income protection or life insurance because life is unpredictable. Maaring bukas kunin tayo ni Lord. 'Di ba? Hindi natin alam. Paano yung responsibilidad natin sa ating mga maiiwan? Lalo na kung meron kaming anak which is 12 years old pa lang. Sino ang magpo-provide ng mga needs niya? Sino ang magpapaaral sa kanya? At least kung meron kang maiiwan na instant money, makakapag-adjust siya at hindi siya poproblemahin ng aking kapamilya financially. And I understand also the importance of how to harness the power of compounding interest. So I started investing through mutual funds, through Seedbox, and ang maganda, kapag nag-member tayo in IMG, meron na agad tayong automatic 1,000 pesos na kasama sa membership fee na pwedeng ibili ng shares. So, meron na tayo agad mutual fund account. At pwede rin tayo makapag-increase ng ating cash flow by being in the financial industry. Pagkakaroon ng sariling business, magiging financial educator, at magagawa ito by your own free time. Mayroon ito sariling system. At ang maganda, makakatulong pa tayo sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. At pwede tayong nating ma-achieve yung income na gusto natin and maging debt-free. At kung tayo international member, meron tayo nitong tinatawag na Visa card at itong e-wallet na ginagamit in IMG income is the NeuraCash. How to do it? By sharing the mission of IMG to help every family achieve financial freedom. No family left behind. Our belief, many people today are financially struggling due to lack of financial information. At isa na nga po kami doon. Sa mahabang panahon, wala po talaga kaming ipon. Kasi hindi namin alam kung paano yun, how to save and invest in the right way. And we are thankful to IMG 6 years ago, we started our savings and investment. And we hopefully on our retirement years, we achieve financial independence. At alam mo ba na pwede ka rin naming maging kabahagi sa financial literacy campaign? At pwede nating maabot ang goal na magkapag-educate ng 30 million families by the year 2030. And always remember that we can control our future. The future is in our hands. Tayo yung nagtatrabaho, tayo ang kailangang mag-ipon, tayo ang kailangang magpalago ng ating ipon, at kailangan protektahan din natin ang ating mga hard-earned money. In short, be your own money manager. Alamin natin how money works and how money make work for us. And now, it's time to take action. You will always have an excuse not to save or invest. No matter what your excuses, one thing is for sure, you will get older next year. Your child will grow up and enter college. You will eventually retire and stop making active income. And always be prepared to the ifs of life. Remember the solution. We need to have long-term care, insurance, and investment. Alright, I hope may natutunan ka sa mga i-share ko about basic financial concept, the solution, and how to prepare for retirement to achieve financial freedom in the future. But always remember, investing is a long journey. It takes time, discipline, and patience because in investing, our best ally is time. Kaya, if I were you, you need to start now. So this is my family and soon a happy retirees. To God all be the glory. It's all about love. Love yourself, love your family, and love the people around you. Thank you for watching.